Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Triton GLX dual cab ute, stock reference number 5188. The shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. There's a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. .4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, aftermarket TUFF 5-post steel bull bar with brush bars, all bolts and brackets and lights. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 8 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. It's got a Bocker alloy tray with all bolts and brackets. Does have some damage to the right hand tail light surround. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom. Rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door also has 2 small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, double DIN type with Bluetooth, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.